Hi, my name is Dr. Shashank Dwivedi and I am a fellowship-trained hand and upper extremity orthopedic surgeon. I'll be practicing at the Maple Grove and Plymouth locations. I grew up in a small town in eastern Washington and went to Boston University all the way across the country for both undergraduate training and medical school. I did my orthopedic surgery residency at Brown University and stayed there for an additional year of fellowship training in orthopedic trauma. I then did a hand and upper extremity fellowship at the University of Michigan. Fun fact about me, my brother and I were actually born in India and moved to the States when we were very young. After spending a couple of years in West Lafayette, Indiana, we relocated to eastern Washington where we grew up. Fast forward 30 or so years, my wife, who I met in college, and we have two beautiful girls who are pride and joy. You'll find us out and about in town, at bakeries or cafes, at the beach or on the water, just all around enjoying time spent together. Another fun fact, my wife and I are both into craft beer, so you might also find us at the local brewery or at festivals, just searching for that perfect IPA. I'm thrilled to be joining TCO as a hand surgeon this summer. TCO is a group of compassionate and talented surgeons, advanced practice providers, and therapists who all share one single goal of providing excellent patient care. And I look forward to providing world-class hand and upper extremity care as part of the TCO team.